Cleaning, cleaning. There's another box of documents there. It's the notification from the smart band. One can monitor his or her health by wearing it. Of course! I finally have my own detective agency from today onwards. I've been looking forward to it for a long time. And I still feel like it's a dream. This is just the first step of realizing my dream. Yep. Establishing the agency is to facilitate the receiving of cases. My real dream is to help people in need. As a detective. No hurries, you are still young. Rome wasn't built in just one day. Great things take time. You still have a lot to learn, but with your talent, you can achieve things that others can't. And then become a world-famous designer, right? By then, the value of my clothes would be appreciated.
Okay. Contact me if you found anything. I've got to go. You're awake? I'm so sorry to tell you that she stopped breathing on the way to the hospital. Calm down. I'll take you there right now. It's not a mere accident. The case has many uncertain points. I suggest a medical legal autopsy, and the sooner, the better. Of course, it's all up to you. I'm asking for an investigation by the police. And my people are hunting for clues with all of their resources. You're not suited for this. I understand, but there aren't many things that you can do. Let me drive you there. Have you seen a similar symbol before? You don't have to push yourself. Please take it easy and leave the rest to me.
It's the notification from the smartband. One can monitor his or her health by wearing it. The fireworks are really beautiful.
The smartband? It may have been secured by the police as an exhibit. And I'll have to use the computer in the agency.
Ding! New task message!
Before Ashley died, the smartband recorded abnormal data. And the information originated from the Hill Theater in Strasbourg? But from what I know, Ashley didn't take cases from there. It can just be a guise for fake foreign IP addresses. Professional problems should be left to the experts. Though you've once solved a case, it doesn't mean that you're a skilled detective. What? I see. About mind simulation. I made it right, didn't I? You really amazed me last time. Your performance in the previous case must be linked to this ability, right? Got it. But I have a condition. Ashley has been working with me on the secret research about mind construction and neurolinkage. I hope you can continue what she had left behind. Your ability is incredible, and it will bring you great danger if exposed to the outside world. You'd better not tell anyone else about it.
Hello, are you Ashley's family? This is the Forensic Examination Center. We need to ask you several questions regarding the examination result. Please calm down. We only have preliminary results. You may have to wait until tomorrow to get a whole version. We found a strange red dot on the wrist. We'd like to confirm if she had such a thing before her death. Can you think harder? It may be crucial to the case. We found similar things in other cases. That's why our group took up the case. We need you to talk to us at the Forensic Examination Center. Strasbourg? I'm on a business trip here. Did you find any leads? If you could give us the exhibit, we can contact the local police to initiate an investigation. You mean you want to be a part of the investigation? You can have it your way if you don't get in the police's way. As for the result, we want to know something from you too. We'll see you in Strasbourg then.
Since you've decided, I can't stop you. Contact me if you're in any trouble.
Ding! New task message!
I'll handle the agency and the police. Robot Eye has been upgraded. Don't forget our agreement, Miss Detective.
I'm sorry. Huh? Nope. It's just a coincidence. I am Roy. Here are my employee's card and passport for your confirmation. We can go straight to the theater to know what happened immediately. I will share with you everything I know along the way. Here we are at the theater. No, you need permission from the local police if you want to investigate. I haven't had the official documents as of now. If you break in, you, instead of the suspect, will be in trouble. That's what a normal person will do. Nah. But tickets for the earliest show have been sold out. Fairy tale performance held 4 hours later. Return to the place you stay and wait. I will tell you once I've got the documents. You will be waiting here? Good luck with that.
This lady is surprisingly persistent.
Why are you here?
This show will be the last tour of the troupe my friends work for. I was invited here.
Sure enough.
Let me introduce myself. I am Larry, Roy's friend.
We don't know each other.
You are so heartless. Though Roy is so heartless. This beautiful lady deeply impresses me. I can enjoy the show along with some good friends. Oh, but I have to wait until my friend in the troupe shows me the way. What do you think? For the sake of this lady, I don't mind taking you with me.
As you wish.
I will contact my friends. Please wait a moment.
Sir, this way, please.
It's been a long time. You look good. This is my friend Nina.
It will be the last tour. So I'm really serious with my makeup.
You used new lipstick, didn't you? It suits you better than the previous one.
You are such an expert. You said it.
Is Salome busy now? I guess she blocked me. It's troublesome that I can't text her.
Salome, she is still preparing herself, so she asked me to take you in. Are these two your friends?
Yes, thank you.
A friend of my teacher is a friend of mine. Please feel at ease and follow me. Ahead of us is the backstage of the theater. We can reach the auditorium via the side door there. Speaking of which, you haven't replied to me. When will your new novel be published?
About that, there are various reasons.
You must have procrastinated again. You don't know that? Meteor from Hell, the best-selling detective novel this year, was written by him. It's about a female diviner revealing the truth with tarot cards under the starry sky. How cool is that? Gosh, seems that I've spoiled the plot. But it's a fantastic book, and you must read it.
I bought lots of them and gave them to my friends after I finished reading the book. And there's the novel series that Larry concluded last year and...
Enough. They are just boring words. Your performance will be the highlight of tonight. And I look forward to your show.
You bet. It will be a good show tonight.
Ding! New task message.
Huh? Salome, why are you at the backstage? I thought you were in your lounge.
Let me introduce you to her. She is the heroine of the show, Salome. I came with my friends to cheer you on.
Thanks for your reception.
Don't mention it. I didn't notice that.
What's wrong? Are you hurt? Do you need me to treat it for you? Oh, sorry.
No need. I may have an allergy because I can't get used to the new place.
An allergy again? Salome, why didn't you tell me about this? You are vulnerable to allergies. If it's like before...
Nina, I'm fine. I just have a skin allergy.
Fine. Don't hide it from me ever again. I will be there whenever you're in trouble, Salome.
Thanks, Nina.
Of course it is! The king gathered the feather from the tips of 1,000 birds' wings to make that. I can fly away with the princess when wearing it.
Hey, Nina. You're making fun of me again.
No more jokes. That's the costume Salome is going to wear for the show.
I haven't watched the play for a long time. I'm eager to listen to the classic song you once sang.
The show will begin soon. Please get yourself seated.
I'll go there now. I will give you flowers with everyone else when you answer the curtain call.
I'm sorry, I forgot to tell you. The theater requires the audience to dress formally. Your clothes are beautiful enough. It's a pity. But please change into an elegant gown.
Salome, are you ready? The show is about to begin!
Oh, he is the stage manager, Liam Green. And we always call him Mr. Green. The clock is ticking. Let's hurry up to the auditorium.
How is Salome doing? The play will begin soon. You are...
They are here for me. I'll lead them to the auditorium.
I see. Welcome. It'll be the last tour, and I hope I can satisfy all of you. Why are you here again?
It's my first time being here.
Don't play dumb with me. Did Salome ask you over? You won't stop flirting even when she's abroad, will you? Do you have any shame?
It's not like that. He
What? Do you think I wrongly accused you? How did he find you here? With his hunch?
It's not like that.
What's wrong with you? She has a show to perform. If you screw it up, you will be the only one responsible.
My responsibility? Why don't you blame Salome? She led that scum here. She will be the one at fault!
Please be seated. The show is about to start. This is the auditorium. Salome has left you the best seats. Don't mention it. But, Mr. Larry, don't go see Salome at the backstage. Liam seems to be in a bad mood. I have to go back to the backstage. Don't mind what has happened. They are always like this, and Mr. Larry and I have gotten used to it.
I wish your performance a success.
Your friend doesn't look like herself.
Believe in her. Just like a meteor, she leaves all her brilliance on the stage.
I soared into the sky, like a bird flying out from the cage.